My name is Calvin Haynes. I'm the Financial Aid Officer at American College of Technology. The thing that separates us from other schools, for example, is that everything is virtual and online. So if you have a question about your FAFSA, you don't have to drive down to the office. You can call me on the phone, you can message me on live chat. I'd be more than happy to help you. Our entrance counseling is done virtually. Our FAFSA is done virtually. It's all on the web. It's all right there, convenient. My number one goal is to help you make responsible, informed decisions. If you leave American College with zero student debt, then I've done my job. I want to make sure that you don't take out too much, but on the other hand, you have enough to pay for school. We are personal. We are a people business, not here to make money, but we're here to train students to succeed. And that means that we have good customer service. We're here to answer your phone calls. We're here to respond to your emails, to talk to you on live chat. We're here from 9 to 9. Our goal is to get you a degree that will be beneficial to you in your job market. We aren't going to give you a bunch of classes that essentially aren't marketable. Our goal is to get you hands-on experience in a job market that will get you plugged into your future career as soon as you graduate from here. We have a student success department that is not only reactive to students who are having issues, but is also proactive and reaches out to students, whether they're succeeding or failing, to find out how they can meet their needs, how they can help them, and what they can do to better the student experience at American College of Technology.